Welcome back to InfyGyan, my dear friends. In today's video, we are going to take up another very interesting and challenging question from rational equations. Equation is x plus 6 times 2x plus 5 over x plus 4 whole power 4 plus x plus 2 times 2x plus 11 over x plus 4 whole power 4 equal to 82, and we'll be solving for real values of x. So let's get started by writing. Our denominator cannot be 0, so our answer cannot be -4. Now I will consider substitution straight away. Let us call this bracket equal to A, and let us say this bracket is B. So the very first equation which I can write from here, it would be A power 4 plus B power 4 equal to 82. Now I will find out the value of A minus B. So this will become x plus 6 times 2x plus 5 minus x plus 2 times 2x plus 11 divided by x plus 4. Let's expand. So this will become 2x square plus 5x plus 12x, 17x plus 30. With minus sign, 2x square, 11x plus 4x, minus 15x, 22 with negative sign, divided by x plus 4. Now 2x square and minus 2x square will be over. 2x plus 8 divided by x plus 4. I will take 2 common from the numerator. It will give us x plus 4, and denominator is the same x plus 4. So we'll be having a minus 2 equal to 2. And this equation I will call equation 2. Let me write here. A power 4 plus b power 4 equal to 82. This is equation 1. And equation 2 is a minus 2. It is equal to 2. Now this system we have to solve for the value of a. Once a is known, we can find out easily x. So I will consider a squaring of second equation both sides. A minus b whole square equal to 2 whole square, which will give us a square plus b square minus 2ab. In LHS, RHS will be 4. Add 2ab to both sides. So a square plus b square, this will be equal to 4 plus 2ab. Now I will consider squaring once again. So let us write power 2, and this side also power 2. Now left hand side again we can apply a plus b whole square formula. So we can write directly a power 4 plus b power 4 plus 2 times a square b square equal to 4 square is 16, 2ab whole square is 4a square b square, and twice product term it would be 16ab. Now I will put here a power 4 plus b power 4, 82. So 82, and I will take this term to the RHS. So I can write 16 plus 2a square b square plus 16ab. Now I will take all the terms to RHS, or let us divide by 2 first. So I can write 41 equal to 8 plus a square b square plus 8ab. Now I will write our quadratic equation in AB as a square b square plus 8ab minus 33 equal to 0. Let me write here a square b square plus 8ab minus 33 equal to 0. Now this is quadratic in AB. I will use method of factorization. So I can write it is AB whole square or A square B square. 8AB we can write 11AB minus 3AB and then minus 33 equal to 0. AB is common, so AB plus 11 and minus 3 if I will take common here, AB plus 11 equal to 0. So I can write factors AB plus 11, AB minus 3, RHS is 0. Conclusion from here, I can write AB equal to 3 and negative 11. Now our second equation was A minus B equal to 2. Now I will club these two. So I can make two systems, A minus B equal to 2 with AB equal to 3, system number 1. And second system, A minus B equal to 2 with AB equal to negative 11. Let us solve both. So I will be writing here first system, A minus B equal to 2 with AB equal to 3. So from this equation I can write the value of B, it will be 3 over A. Now I will apply this value in first equation, A minus 3 over A equal to 2. Multiply both sides by A. So A square minus 3 equal to 2A, or A square minus 2A minus 3 equal to 0. Again we can use method of factorization. A square minus 3A plus A minus 3 equal to 0. Now from first two terms A is common. A minus 3. From last two 1 is common. A minus 3 equal to 0. So A minus 3 times A plus 1 equal to 0. So from here we can conclude A equal to negative 1 and A equal to 3. Now let's solve second system first, then we will take up all the A values simultaneously. So second system was A minus B equal to 2 with AB equal to negative 11. So from here I can write value of B will be negative 11 over A, and then I will substitute here. So A plus 11 over A equal to 2. Multiply both sides by A. So A square plus 11 equal to 2A. Take all the terms to one side. A square minus 2A plus 11 equal to 0. Now I'll only check discriminant. B square minus 4AC. So minus 2 is square minus 4 times 1 times 11. It will give us 4 minus 44, which is negative 40. As discriminant is coming out negative, it will generate complex solutions. So we can reject this system. Rejected. So far we have only two real values of A. A equal to negative 1 and A equal to 3. Now A was our substitution. This bracket was A. So I need to write over here x plus 6 times 2x plus 5 over x plus 4 equal to negative 1, 3. So I will be writing here x plus 6 times 2x plus 5 over x plus 4 equal to -1, and then we can write x plus 6 times 2x plus 5 over x plus 4 equal to 3. So let's expand and cross multiply. X is not equal to -4. So I can write here 2x square, 5x plus 12x, 17x plus 30 equal to -x, -4, or 2x square plus 18x plus 34 equal to 0, or x square plus 9x plus 17 equal to 0. So from here we will get our answer. Now come to second equation, this one. So I will be writing directly 2x square plus 17x plus 30. This will be equal to 3x plus 12. Or I can write 2x square plus 14x plus 18 equal to 0, or x square plus 7x plus 9 equal to 0. So two quadratic equations we are having. Let us solve both the equations one by one. So I will write first equation first, x square plus 9x plus 17 equal to 0. And second equation was x square plus 7x plus 9 equal to 0. So let us apply quadratic formula straight away. Minus b, so minus 9 plus minus square root of b square, it is 9 square, 81, minus 4ac, 4 times 1 times 17, 68, divided by 2a, so 2 times 1, 2. Negative 9 plus minus square root, 81 minus 68, 13 over 2. From this equation, I will collect x is equal to minus 7 plus minus square root of b square, so 7 square 49, minus 4 times 1 times 9, so 36, over 2 times 1, 2. So x will be equal to negative 7 plus minus square root 13 over 2. So finally we have all four solutions and all are real. Minus 9 plus minus square root 13 over 2, minus 7 plus minus square root 13 over 2. This brings the end of the video, friends. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.